Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with a great news for you, and the news is the training at huge discount from one of the renowned platform, namely Internshala. And the Internshala is providing the training in different area, and this is one of the best certificate you are going to secure, which is going to definitely help you out to get the better job and better internship in coming days, and a lot of the door will open for your opportunity once you receive the Internshala training certificate. And in the lockdown also you need to take some training from your home, so you need not to go outside to your college or any institution. You just sit at your home and you can get all those training, and the training is really awesome and company. So this training is actually help you out in different way, and the training in different domain like programming domain, business and management domain, code engineering domain, data science domain, design domain, creative art domain, like language domain, career development, architecture. These all are the different domain training you are going to get. And guys, this training is really awesome. All training contains few projects. So you will learn some topic, you will be trained with some concept, and then after you have to uh, do some work like task related to that topic, and you have to submit that for that. And even if you have any doubt, then you can contact using the form, and you will get reply soon and your doubt will be cleared. Moreover, at the end of training you will also get one project, and you have to complete that project and submit. Okay guys, so let me also show you what are the advantages of this and what the training, each and every training contains. So I will show you some 3 4 courses and that training courses, and then after you will know what are the content, what are the support you are going to get. And even once you enroll for any training, then you are also going to get some free courses, like for development, like pre-placement, some preparation training, career related training. So those training will be as a bonus you will get, and this is 80% discount you are getting. So guys, don't skip this and don't let the opportunity go. You take this opportunity, grasp this opportunity, and boost up your knowledge with using this training. So once you are going to apply for your off-campus placement or on-campus placement, there is a huge chance that you will be selected for that. So let me go with training model and show you like, okay, so let me show you web development training. So open it. Okay. And guys, you can find this training link in the video description as well as pin comment of the video. So you can click there and directly go and fill the detail, and you can enroll for the training, and there are different batches you can select. So let me show you what are the details. So you can see already 51,000 students have enrolled this training, and the rating for this training is 4.1. So you can understand how this training is famous. And in training, like, you can learn from your home. There is flexibility, like you can learn on your pace, like you need not to like wait for the next day to unlock the remaining training module. Once you complete, you proceed and complete the module, the next module will be unlocked and you can get training of those. And even like you will get some time to complete the training, and if you are like running with time or you are not able to complete your training within the given duration, then you can request for some additional time, and in terms people will also give you those time, so you can complete within that time. Okay, and you can see there are a lots of those videos are provided, those tutorial training videos are provided, so you can go through that. And here you can see like for this learn web development training, there is one project and 4 assignment is there. So hand-on like practice you can go. Doubt clearing forum is available for all, and like beginner friendly. So even you don't know anything about particular domain, but you can get training, because this training will be given from scratch itself. Okay, and you can also see how much weak your training content, and even downloadable content is there, so you can download that content, and whenever required you can revisit that and watch your concept. So that is lifetime available. So once you download, so you can refer whenever you go for the interview or any other uh, work like that for domain, then you can go for that training. And you can see those certificate will be given like this, and this is industry recognized certificate. So you can see like 1 lakh plus industry know this Internshala platform, and I hope you are aware about it. You might have listened about the Internshala from your faculty or senior. So it is one of very famous platform. So this training is really going to help you out a lot. And like this, you can go and see like content, what are the content you are going to get in that particular training. Everything you can click there and look it, everything. And even you can go through like feedback given by the student. Okay, so everything is in public domain. You can check it out how worthy this training is, and you just have to pay 999 for this training. But you can see this is almost 5,000 fee for this training in normal days, but now you are getting this training at 999 till 13th 30th of this June month, and after July again the price will be increased. So please grab this opportunity and learn this training. Okay, so I will also go to some other training and show you like let me go with like data science, so machine learning. So no more, you can click like that. Okay, so like whatever your course is like training you want to get in particular course training, so you can go and click there and check it out all those details. Okay, you can see here there is 5 project in this, and 100 video tutorial is there, placement assistance is there. So like that you can see everything, every detail you can go one by one and check it out, also topic, everything. This is one of the best training you are going to get. So please don't lose this opportunity, grab this opportunity, and the link for this training you are going to get uh, under the video description as well as pin comment. And like this you can fill your, you can give email in this email ID, you can give your passport, new passport, any new passport you can set. Okay guys, and then after your name, last name, mobile number you can give. Okay, so your mobile number you can give. Okay, okay, so I am just giving some random. Okay, and the batch you can see, almost you can see some batches is already filled. Okay, you can see like almost fill, first batch is almost full, just August first batch, July 15th batch is almost full, you can see, and 1st July batch is filling fast, 27th June batch is filling fast, and 15 August batch is available. So like that, if you enroll for this training as uh, shortly as possible, then you will get more flexibility to select the batches. Okay, and like you can select for what you are going to get, like that certificate. Okay, so like that you fill the detail and then click of sign up, you can click. Okay guys, so once you click on sign up, it will redirect you to the payment gateway, and from payment gateway you can pay. Okay, so even this payment gateway is very secure payment gateway, so you need not to worry about like leak of your credential, banking credential or any payment detail. So you just whatever you card you have available, or net banking or Paytm or wallet or UPI or EMI, so you can go through that and you can pay guys. And still if you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask your question in comment section. I will always there to help you out, and even you can reach out to me using WhatsApp. You can find all those detail in the video description. So please contact me for clearance of any doubt. And I hope you are going to grab this opportunity, great opportunity, and you are going to train yourself at least in one domain and secure the training certificate. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, and at least complete one training from renowned platform like Internshala. Happy learning.